Hello, teachers. I wanted to give you an example of what I've discovered in something called Google My Maps. All the students have access to Google My Maps. So this is an example of a Google Mind Map that I created. It's a beginning of all the locations Marco Polo traveled on the Silk Road. So I started out with a title. So the map comes up blank, and you can type in a title here at the top, and it's easy to type it in. I also found a website to link to it, and then you save it. I can add layers of each location. So I started out with 3 locations. I can add a 4th one. So every time I need to add a layer to this map, I click the Add a Layer button, and it comes up at the bottom. So you see down here, I have entered 3 locations already. I entered Venice, Constantinople, and Hormuz. I think they're actually out of order, but I'm going to enter the other layer of another location, Kashgar. So I'm clicking on the untitled layer. I'm going to name it Kashgar. I'm going to save it. Then I want to find that location on the map. So I'm going to search for it, Kashgar. And here it is. I'm going to make my map go there. And it's finding the location. I'm going to add a point on the map so that it stays there as part of my map. So I'm going to click on the add a marker. And then I'm going to click where I want that to be marked. And I'm going to call it Kashgar and save it. And then I'm going to go back over here to Kashgar. And here, if I'd like to, I can do all kinds of things. I could add a picture. Actually, I can click on the camera here and add Silk Road Kashgar to my search. Find a picture that I think is relevant if I wanted that. And I'm going to click this one and select it and save. So now I have 4 locations on my map. When you close this box, you have a really close in view, so you can zoom back out with this minus button to see all the locations you have found so far. So that is how you add locations and add pictures. You can also add other locations. I'm going to show you how a student would find Google My Maps now by going to their Drive. So the students would open Google Drive, okay, and then they would click New and More, and here they would find Google My Maps. And when that comes up, it is a blank map. So it is actually a map of the United States. So you can create any kind of a map. So here you title it whatever it is you like to travel it. Places I've traveled to. Save that. And start adding layers of all the places you've been to. So one example for where I've been to is Sedona, Arizona. Love Sedona. So now that's my first layer, and while I'm going to go there, I need to search for it in the search field, Sedona, Arizona. And then I can actually add the place marker here at Sedona. And then also I can include a picture if I'd like. I'm going to search for an image for Sedona, Arizona. And there's so many beautiful scenes in Sedona. I'm just going to pick one. So this is an excellent opportunity for students to enjoy and find locations on a world map, and then mark the places that you want. It can be lesson specific, or it can be for fun. So there you are. Thank you. Let's go back to the original mind map that I made. These are the locations that I made, and I zoomed in and out to find them. And they are listed here on the side. And a student, if they'd like to, they can share their map with someone else and work on it together just by clicking the share button and entering the student's number at USD. You can even have them um, share with you so that you could view it. Okay? Thank you very much.